You're watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets. The euro slightly weakened against the US dollar last week. The single European currency studied at around $1.1150 following the results of the second round of French parliamentary elections. As expected, President Macron's party in March hailed victory in the second round vote and secured a big majority in French parliament. On Friday, Bank of Japan reasserted in its policy meeting that it looks to keep its ultra-loose policy until its 2% price target is achieved. The Japanese yen weakened against the dollar as monetary policy divergence between the Fed and the Bank of Japan also remains a big positive for the strengthening dollar. Also, a rally in the Japanese stocks following a rebound in the US high-tech stocks led the Nikkei 225 index at two-year highs. The Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting confirmed what was widely expected. The Fed increased its benchmark interest rate range by 0.25% and announced its plans to gradually unwind its huge balance sheet. Last week, gold prices continued to fall and on Tuesday stayed near the lowest level in around 5 weeks as hawkish remarks made by an influential Federal Reserve official on Monday reinforced expectations for the Fed to keep raising interest rates. Oil price is in a sharp downtrend since May end, and this trend continued last week. On Tuesday, it dropped significantly to the lowest level since November 2016, as concerns over a glut in the market continued to pull oil prices. The US oil rig count continued to rise, up by 6 last week. Baker Hughes' report showed on Friday. That is 22 weeks in a row that oil rigs have been added, a record run. Additionally, signs of weakening demand have also prompted downward sentiment. Technology giants were volatile last week, but regained momentum in response to Amazon's announced acquisition of Whole Foods in a deal valued at about $13.7 billion. At a meeting with leaders of Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft on Monday, President Trump promised the transformation of outdated federal technology, which astonishingly still includes floppy disks. The S&P 500 touched an all-time high on Monday. You were watching a weekly CFD overview of global financial markets.